At the edge of the historic village of Heenvliet in the Netherlands, Woonhuis Heenvliet shows how an existing home can be expanded without losing its original character. Designed by Studio Brandvries in 2024, the 280 square meter house evolved from an older residence partly built on a former barn footprint. The owners valued its playful, multi-level layout and views toward Kasteel Ravesteyn, but needed more space as their family grew. Instead of replacing the house, the architects extended it while preserving these defining qualities. The extension uses the former barn footprint to nearly double the home size, while keeping the street facade restrained. Dark anthracite Swedish Rabat wood cladding and matching window frames create a consistent exterior, while a striking double-height dormer breaks the horizontal facade. Through this opening, the wooden staircase becomes visible from the street, turning circulation into an architectural feature that connects the original and new parts of the house. Toward the garden, the design becomes more open. One corner of the wooden volume is carved away to form a recessed, transparent space beneath a deep overhang, creating a sheltered transition between indoors and outdoors. Inside, the open-plan kitchen occupies a double-height volume, with skylights bringing daylight deeper into the home. Together, the frame views, natural light, and carefully shaped extension create a larger house while maintaining the intimate character of the original residence.